Will I make it through this entire video without using a cheesy Irish accent? Probably not. But find out right after this. Top of the morning to you lads and lassies. Welcome to another episode of S'mores and More. Alright, now that we got the cheesy Irish accent part of the video done, hey everybody, welcome to S'mores and More, where we take the traditional campfire treat and turn it on its head. My name is Sean P. Meddy, and this is the S'mores and Dinosaurs YouTube channel, where we make s'mores and discuss dinosaurs. And hey, if this is your first time watching a video here, welcome. Maybe consider subscribing or hitting that like button. No pressure on you though. The only pressure today is on me and making a s'more out of some Lucky Charms cereal. Now, as you can see, I'm decked out in green, and there's some shamrocks over there, and, well, it is St. Patrick's Day, so I think I need to get even maybe a little bit more green. Put on my favorite thrift store find. There we go. This coat, even if it doesn't totally fit anymore, will always be one of my favorite thrift store purchases. Now, like I said, we are making Lucky Charms s'mores today. Now, Lucky Charms, the classic American cereal that capitalizes on Celtic culture. You may know it, you may love it. I didn't have it as a kid. I literally just had my first bowl last night. Not bad. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Oats, little pieces of marshmallow, and special. The whole reason I'm making this video is if you go to the store, you may in fact find Lucky Charms marshmallows. That's right, they're not hiding in Marshmallosaurus Rex today. They couldn't fit. But here they are, Lucky Charms marshmallows. They come in 4 different types. So you've got the green shamrocks, you got the blue moons, you got the stars, shooting stars, and the hearts. So once I saw those, I was like, I gotta make a s'more out of that. Now, as we make the s'mores today, normally s'mores, the traditional s'more, although we play with that recipe a lot, is graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow. Now today, we're going to make 2 different versions of this Lucky Charms s'more. Now, we're going to go, one of them will be the traditional route. We'll have graham crackers, chocolate, and the Lucky Charms s'mores. But the other version will, instead of taking the graham cracker, we'll throw that out, and we'll be using Lucky Charms crispy treats. I made a Lucky Charms Rice Krispie-esque treat. Basically, all you need to do to make this is some cereal, put in the warm marshmallows, mix it all together, throw it in the fridge, let it cool down a little bit, and there you go. Now, I will warn you, if your marshmallows are too hot, your big marshmallows, just to put everything together, if they're too hot, they may melt the marshmallows in the cereal, but you'll be fine. Now, let's get to roasting some Lucky Charms marshmallows. So to begin, let's begin our construction. So we'll need a graham cracker for the one, and then I've already pre-cut a Lucky Charms s'more. We'll put that as the basis there for the second. Then we're going to need some chocolate, so we'll put the chocolate on there. And then we'll put the chocolate on the marshmallow Lucky Charms cereal treat. And then it's time to start making roasting these Lucky Charms marshmallows. Now I'll tell you right now, these marshmallows are significantly smaller. Than your traditional marshmallow. And because of that, you really need to watch them. Because they will... So here's... the weird thing about these is they will toast and they will roast, but they don't necessarily get a dark charcoaly color like you're normally used to on marshmallows when you're making s'mores. I'm going to purposely try to burn this green marshmallow a little bit. Okay, so that's sort of what it looks like. You can see a little bit of burn, but it still does retain the green color. And what's unique is, what's interesting is when you start really When they start getting gooey, you can't necessarily tell because they will retain the color. And they become very pliable at that point. So just keep watch of them. This, unfortunately, is going to take me so long to do this. So we will have some cuts in the video there. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? All right, so 2 marshmallows down. A whole lot more to go. So we're going to cut the video right here, and then we'll be right back. Ooh-ra-loo-ra-loo-ra. Ooh-ra-loo-ra-lie. Ooh-ra-loo-ra-loo-ra. Hush, now don't you cry. Ooh-ra-loo-ra-loo-ra. Ooh-ra-loo-ra-lie. Ooh-ra-loo-ra. That's the Irish lullaby. A couple developments I've learned along the way. When I said before that these marshmallows couldn't burn and catch on fire, boy was I wrong. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see right now, when you toast these marshmallows, they lose. So let me show you in the video. So moons, hearts, and stars. All right. So as you can see, this is how they look when they're pre-toasted. You know, classic Lucky Charms shapes. And then once you toast them, it all goes downhill. They all just kind of look bad. They look slightly burnt, and I mean, on a normal marshmallow, this would be adorable. On marshmallows that are colored and supposed to be happy little shapes, they look incredibly. It's like you took a doll and put a doll on an oven and just slowly watched its face melt. And that whole time as its face melts, the voice box inside of it starts trying to scream out, "Mama." And then the soul of that doll haunts your house for the rest of your life. That's what these marshmallows look like. So let's hide the evidence by covering them up with the other half of our graham cracker and the other half of our marshmallow Lucky Charms treat. You know, this is the part where I normally taste and test these out, and that's what we're gonna do. I don't know what you know what, for safety's sake, I'm gonna go with the original first. There's the original. Look at that. It almost looks like Play-Doh. That's what this looks like. I couldn't figure it out. It looks like Play-Doh. So, like, it looks like a kid made a s'more, but instead of marshmallows, he put Play-Doh down. And that's why I'm apprehensive right now, because it's just kind of like, here you go. Eat some Play-Doh, although I guess that's edible, so... Alright, we'll just try this out. Well, the good thing is, it tastes just like a normal s'more. Just with disgusting melty face Play-Doh marshmallows in it. So, let's try out the marshmallow crispy treat. Now this is, if you're not a fan of things that are sticky, first, you're probably not watching this channel. But boy, this marshmallow treat cereal is super sticky. So let's try it out. That, though, that actually isn't bad. No. Get a close-up look at what that looks like. I don't know, because I've never really had Lucky Charms cereal before. I don't know if they make a chocolate version, but the chocolate actually enhances the cereal part of this really nice. And the marshmallows, they make it a little bit more gooey. It's just a nice s'more, really, what it boils down to. Wow. That's not bad. It's really not bad. Now, am I going to be making this s'more again? No. But we've made it. It's interesting. It's not necessarily bad at all. No. They taste pretty much like s'mores. The melty face Play-Doh child doll marshmallow look is something that's hard to get over. So, I hope you had some fun today. This was a weird episode. I will be the first to admit this was a weird episode. So come back next week when we talk a little bit about dinosaurs and try to ignore everything that just happened here. What do you say? Does that sound like a good idea? Yes? All right. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. I'll see you back next time. It's not that bad. It just looks awful.